Hell yeah. We're coming back here, folks. I'm with OG. Original
Turn right onto Newbie Road.
You got Bo's Looking Duke with you right now. We're going to pick up a ruckus. And we're way back in the boonies, man. Like, we're way back in the freaking boonies. Holy shit.
Told you.
Eddington.
This mountain.
Holy shit. I'm not kidding.
I think there's a ruckus back here. I don't know.
Right?
I mean, he definitely's got plenty of places to shoot this rifle.
No kidding, right?
I think he won this bet.
As long as he don't shoot us, I'm good.
Well, I brought one with us.
Hell yeah. That's true. You got a good point.
And it's loaded.
Oh, shit.
I'm ready.
Holy shit. This is an actual
Dude,
road. This is an actual road, isn't it?
Yeah, dude.
This is a road, actually.
This is where I want to be.
That's where I want to live. Hell yeah. It's beautiful back here.
Maybe a better driveway, though.
Right.
I don't know. Maybe. Well, I mean.
This is a road, though. It's an actual road.
You know, maybe they re-gravel it or something.
Right. Re-blacktop it once.
Yeah,
every 10 years.
We got those little bikes, man.
Once every 10 years, you know?
Yeah.
This is beautiful back here, though. Look at the house up there. Oh, my God.
That might be where we going, dude.
That's a beautiful.
Look at the GPS.
Oh, shit. We are going way up top of the mountain.
Yeah, dude. We got 2 miles to go.
We're literally climbing a mountain, folks. We're literally climbing a mountain on the side of a mountain.
Oh, my God. This place is beautiful.
This one
Holy shit. Am I going straight? Or am I going? Where am I going?
We're going straight. We're gonna keep going, yeah.
Holy shit, look at that.
Good thing we were in a freaking
not full-wheel drive either. Traction control, where's that at before we start sleeping?
Holy shit, man. I ain't never been back here ever. Holy shit. That's a slave wall right there. Damn, they had slave walls back up in here too. Holy shit. Whoa, dude, this is freaking crazy.
I took this bitch. I drove this bitch up. We're spinning right here.
Yep. Can't believe this is actual road, man.
That's why I was wanting traction control off. I turn it off to go uphill, turn it on to go down.
Right. Holy shit. This is crazy, man.
But the key is slow throttle response.
Right. You got this, man. You got this.
I'm not even really on the gas.
I know.
Really on it. We're at like 1,500 RPM.
Right. You're just lugging up it. This thing does pretty good, this vehicle does.
Mm-hmm. Well, the thing is this thing's heavy.
Right.
And if I give it too much gas, it's just going to dig. Because this shit's loose.
Right. Hell yeah, it is. Damn, dude.
We might go mudding today,
This is bringing us back to the boonies for real.
Damn. We might have took a wrong turn.
Well, the crazy thing is this is an actual road.
Yeah.
That's a road. This is a road,
I hope
man.
this ain't deep. Nope.
That's the crazy part. This is a county road, or a road back
dude.
here on the maps.
I come from Florida, man. Them potholes, you can't trust them.
Dude, I know, because sinkos.
Deep. Yeah.
I learned my lesson on that one, dude. I hit a pothole. I thought it was a pothole. It was a sinkhole. My whole truck went down inside of it. There's a house. There's a place up there. There's that house. This thing while ago. Went from way over there. This place is beautiful, man. Oh my God.
That might, dude. That'll
be where we're going.
No, that's the driveway for it. Whoa.
Oh shit.
Big pothole. I dodged it though.
How did they even build this place up here? I wonder.
Dude, I think we came up the wrong way. For sure. Oh my God.
Oh my God. Yo, holy shit. Holy shit. This is crazy, man. This is wild. Oh shit. No kidding, man.
Look at the washout right here.
I know, right? Holy shit. This guy has a ruckus back here? Oh my goodness.
I think I know why he's selling. Can't get it out.
Right?
I don't think we were supposed to come this way.
I don't think we were either.
We're never running with the map again.
Right? I don't think so, man. Map's
Dude.
The map didn't it? You fucked this map. Look at that shit. This is like Jeep territory.
Yeah, and we front wheel drive Ford Escape.
No shit. Fucking house right there.
Look,
too.
there's the Jeep.
There's the Jeep. Yeah, no shit. You're right. Exactly. I mean, this guy has a
yeah,
four-wheel
dude.
drive.
We weren't supposed to come this way. Look, tree down right there.
No kidding, dude.
There's got to be another way.
There's got to be a way out of here.
Yeah, dude. There's got to be another way because that's nice.
Look, we're still going. It still got us going on further.
What the literal?
Oh shit!
Back roads of Kentucky.
We climbed the mountain to come get this ruckus. Literally. I mean, this is an actual road. You can see on here. It's an actual real road. I mean, we're going up a freaking mountain right now. No shit.
We'd already did the worst part.
We did the first part, yeah.
Oh, pavement!
Pavement!
Safe.
Oh, we got pavement!
Safe.
So it had us come the back way, it had us come up the mountain, for real.
Yeah, dude, it had us come up the mountain. Dude, we should have just went to Richmond.
Right, we should have, yeah, right.
We just done like we were supposed to and went to Richmond.
I
But
thought
you
you
know, all that crap. But when I had the Honda, I'd take it out in the mud holes and I'd play Scuba Steve in that bitch. No way.
That's good.
Like, we'd have this bitch underwater.
Hell yeah, dude. This place is freaking beautiful up here. I'm not kidding. It's like pristine, beautiful. Like, this is where you want to come deer hunting for real.
Dude, we need to, we're not going that way.
Oh, there we are.
Yeah, we're almost to them.
Yeah.
I'm gonna tell him, you could have told us about the mountain.
Right.
We came up that bitch.
We come up that bitch. We sure did, dude. We straight up come up the mountain. You're going up the mountain, and she comes. If you're coming around the mountain, when she comes.
Goddamn, they got all the shit we need right there.
No kidding, dude. No shit. You ain't kidding, dude. Whoa, man. This place is gonna be beautiful up here, man.
Oh yeah, we're almost there.
And we're almost there too. Yeah, we're just about there. Hell yeah, 35 mile an hour. No, you couldn't do that where we were. This come from.
Well, no, we did. We're only doing about 15 mile an hour up that hill.
That wasn't a hill. That's a mountain,
Yeah.
buddy. That was almost a mountain. We're city folk, ain't we, folks? There ain't no mountain.
No damn city folk.
There ain't no mountain there,
Well,
boy. That was barely
mean-
even an incline.
I'm
just playing, folks.
to some extent, city folk, that might be right.
In 600 feet, your
I live in both
destination will be
worlds.
on the right.
Right here, I bet.
There.
Yeah, there's a little farm right here.
Mm-hmm.
Hell yeah.
Let's see. What's the address? That's 5, so next one.
Next one.
Yep, right
Oh, hell yeah.
there. This is where we're getting to.
Oh, here we go.
Your destination is
Oh,
on
yeah.
the right.
That's him.